How to input HTTP streams to Kylone, Digital Content Managing System. Go to Live Streams HTTP. Make a new record. Create a name for the input HTTP stream. Enter the stream's IP and the port. Don't forget to click Save. Then click Probe. And wait minutes. Now we can see the information of the stream. Then click Close and go to Commit. Choose Update Streaming Engine. Go to Status page. Seconds later, we will see the HTTP sources is working well. Next step, let's play the HTTP test stream in VLC player. Click HTTP source output. Then click Stream URL as list view. Copy the URL to VLC player. Then you can see the stream is working well. Now, the HTTP stream setting is finished. If there is any question, please don't hesitate to contact us.